welcome to Hazel Me. In this video I will show you how to do 3 cute simple hairstyles using Dutch braid. Well, there will be more than 3 simple hairstyles because I will show you some variations of one of them. If you don't know how to Dutch braid, you can first click to this link to see my video on how to Dutch braid. Now let's start with this video.
For the first hairstyle I will do a side Dutch accent braid. So I will take a part from the front and divide it into 3 sections. And I will start a simple Dutch braid, adding hair from the front and from the back. I have curled my hair with the curling iron to give a little bit of more volume. I will stop adding hair and finish with a normal braid. Now, as you know, I will pinch my hair a little bit because I like the braids to look more fluffier and full. I will secure the hair with the hair elastic. And here you have the hairstyle. I think it's super cute having a side accent braid. Now for the second hairstyle I will do a half bob using side Dutch braids. So I will do exactly the same braid in the other side. I will try to do as symmetrical as possible. And you could leave the both side braids as an accent braid. But what I wanted to do is to combine both hairs in the back of my head. So I will use a hair elastic to combine both of them and remove the 2 individual. So here you have it. This is the second hairstyle. I think it's super cute, kind of bohemian, but super easy to do. Now the third hairstyle I will do side Dutch braid buns. I will part my hair into the middle and put one side out of my way. And now I will start again a Dutch braid. I will add hair from both sides, from the front and from the back, until I reach the back of my neck. So until this point is what I would do if I was doing boxer braids, but in this case I will stop right here and secure the braid with a hair elastic. Now I will do the same from the other side. So now I have 2 cute ponytails. This hairstyle is perfect for doing a sport or any kind of activity. I think it's super cute and super girly. But as you know, I like to pinch my braids a little bit so they look fluffier and with more volume. I will do the same in the other braids. And here you have it. It's the same hairstyle, but I think it looks like a little bit more grown up. But now I will go into the buns. I will twist my hair in an upward motion. Remember not to do upward and downward at the same time, because then you would damage your hair. I know it looks kind of funny right now, but well, you could use this hairstyle for some kind of party. But now I will use these ponytails to do my fluffy buns. I will take some hair clips to secure my bun. As they are some messy buns, they don't have to be exactly perfect nor symmetrical one to the other. So here you have it. This is the final hairstyle.
So those were some hairstyles using Dutch braids. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment down below which was your favorite hairstyle. And also if you tried one of those at home. Please subscribe to this channel and stay tuned because very soon I will post more hairstyle videos. See you next time!